y'all, this is going to be a mini tutorial on Flipgrid. It's actually one of my favorite new tech tools. It's really awesome and the kids are very engaged in it. What you're going to want to do is do an educator sign up, and you're going to want to sign up through our school using our domain because a lot of the videos are kept private based off of domain. What you can do with Flipgrids is you can make video responses. And you will have to get video access. So I know some of the classrooms, the computers don't always have video access, but there are ways to work around this. You can have students film using your iPad. You can have get rights for the video access with MacBooks. There are arrangements that can be made if you're going to use a project using Flipgrid. All right, so one of the Flipgrids that I did this year was with our STEM students. It was really cool to make a new grid. You just do add grid, but let's go ahead and look at this one. You can share it out with a link. You can also use these QR codes, which are pretty easy for cell phones to use. You can watch them on cell phones. Adding co-pilots, it's really cool. I added a bunch of different teachers to help me collect some of these videos. You can duplicate the grids if you want to keep it separate between your different grade levels. But you can also have your different grade levels and different school sites even communicate with each other using this. So if you were thinking of a pen pal situation, or we could have a high school student talk to a kindergarten classroom, that would be a really cool opportunity using this tech tool. All right, so Zipline Design, this is the one that I used. And this was supposed to be used between different classrooms. Unfortunately, due to timing, only one classroom got to use it. But the idea was that the students have to show their design process and share their different designs so that we could kind of compare them. Students will post their own video. Here's one of them right here. You can also turn on closed captioning. I will say sometimes the closed captioning is less accurate than you would want and comes up with some pretty hilarious things that the students are saying, but it is pretty cool to support students. Students can respond to each other. You can set it so that they don't respond to each other. And they can also video message each other back. So if they watched a video of another person, you can also give them a video response back. Okay, you can have it set so that they have to have the videos approved by you before they get posted. And also, if you didn't want one of them shown, like my video right here, I decided to put it on hidden so that you guys can't check that one out. You can do that as well. So please consider using the Flipgrid. Make your own grid. See if you can get your different class periods connecting to each other. See if you can get the third grade to the other third grade communicating to each other. They can read each other's stories, give each other feedback. It's really cool because when you do this, you can use just our school email. So you would type in at stem-prep.org and also at stem-student.org, and then only our students can see the grid, making it nice and safe and keeping our digital community. If you have any questions, let me know, but I'd love to help you get started on making your first grid.